Hi guys, it's me again, Nonsense. Welcome to King's Supper. Today I'm going to be doing my first pastry. It's going to be a mixed berries crumble pie. The reason why I use crumble and pie because the bottom of the pastry is going to be like a pie, and on top I'm going to put a crumble there. So yes, it's a very easy recipe to do. Anybody, even if you can't bake, you could make this. So guys, come along with me. I'm going to show you guys the ingredient and we're going to get going. It's very simple, very easy. So, the first thing we're gonna do is this. We're gonna obviously make this flour, put some fragrance. This is Nutmeg. You could use a powder one, but I like using a fresh one because the taste is more intense. You smell it more, and you don't have to use a lot. So this I won't even use quarter of this. So yeah, you break that quickly. I can already smell it, guys. Yeah, the smell is already coming out of it. It smells amazing. So basically you mix all that in, guys. You mix all that in. Ooh, smell it. It smells amazing. Yeah. And the next thing you're gonna put is a pinch of salt, not a lot. Yeah. Cut your butter into cubes. Yeah, make sure it is frozen. That's how you make a pie. Then follow me here. I'm gonna blend these together. A pinch of salt, not a lot. Yeah, something. I like that hint of salt in my pastry, but that doesn't mean to make a thing. So the next thing is I've got 150 gram of no, I think 100 gram of butter. You could make 150 gram to 200 flour, but yeah, I'm just trying to be healthy. Yes, so cut your butter into cubes. Yeah, make sure it is frozen. That's how you make a pie. Then follow me here. I'm gonna blend these together. You're gonna be very fast because you don't want the butter to melt before you assemble it. All right, guys, follow me. Yeah, guys, you got your flour here. Put in a blender, just like this. This is 200 gram. You could add 100 gram, 150 gram. Then you adjust your butter accordingly. But like I said, I like my pastry. And you add your 100 gram of butter. It could be 150 gram if you like it. If you want to do it, if you want your thing to be nice and buttery and flaky. But yeah, I just use 200 flour and 100 butter. You blend this quickly, very quickly. Yes, done. That's what placed it. You take that out quickly, as quick as you can, and you come back on the table. That's how you want it to be. You see, because you're making crumble, do not press here at this moment, not at all. Then, what make it even more crumbly, then you add 200 gram of flour, 100 gram of butter, and 4 tablespoons of custard sugar. Use custard sugar if you're making a crumble. Please, it just gives a better. Actually, I'm thinking 3 tablespoons might be enough, guys. Yeah, 3 tablespoons is perfectly enough. Yeah, perfect. So 3 tablespoons of that, and you use half of it on the base of your crumble to create the pastry at the bottom. Then all you have to do is to bring this together like this and press it down. So that's what I meant earlier. That's gonna give you that crumble effect. That pastry effect, where you're gonna have a thick pastry at the bottom and you'll have a crumble on top. You see what I mean? Yes. So this is how you make that, and you throw this quickly in the oven for about 2 to 5 minutes. For 2 to 5 minutes while you're mixing the berries. That's on 180 for 5 minutes. Yeah, but it's preheated. Make sure you preheat your oven. Yeah, so quick. This is when you are speeding. Speedy Gonzalez cooking basically. Quick. Yeah, you got mixed berries, as I told you guys. You got raspberries in there. You got blackberries. Yeah, told you there's no cooking involved in this, guys. You put 3. Yeah, 4 tablespoons of sugar, of custard sugar, teaspoon of your extract, your vanilla extract. Yeah, teaspoon. You add, again, I'm using tablespoon, but I'm using a teaspoon of this. Don't put too much cinnamon, otherwise it will overpower it. It's what makes it great, but it can also overpower it. So something like this, yeah, will be perfect. You see? So I've had it for a long time. Yeah, and you do that. I forgot a very important ingredient, guys. Give me 2 seconds. I'm gonna grab it. So, yeah, before you cut it, you use the zest first. So, a bit of lemon zest. You're gonna grate that quickly. So, lemon zest, and you cut your lemon into 2, and you put half. You put half and you stir it. I'm going to squeeze the lemon even more. Squeeze it more. So here you have the mixed berries, you have your custard sugar, you have cinnamon, you have the vanilla extract, you got lemon zest and lemon juice. That's how your berry, and those ingredients will be the one literally that will start cooking your berries. As you could see, they started cooking already. This is how the cooking process starts before you even put it in the oven. Yeah. Can you follow me, please, babe? Yeah, follow me with the camera. Let them, yeah, I wanted them to see this goodness. So guys, yeah, this is where you put this now. Just, oh, my goodness. This will make you proud of yourself. You don't have to try hard. You see all that juice is all adding the sugar. It was, like I said, it will start the cooking process. And then, once you have this, guys, that's what I call the mixed berry crumble pie, because the base is done like a pie, and this is a crumble. You just sprinkle it. Make sure you don't press it hard. Just let it do its thing. Just let it drop and repeat. Towards the end, I'm going to give you guys a little trick that makes it all. Towards the end, it makes everything better. So this point, I will start doing some little bowl and dropping them in it. Who doesn't like taking that chunk of crumble in your apple crumble? I think I do, and I think lots of people do. So you kind of press that in there, let it drop, do this thing, and voila, messieurs et madame, c'est ça votre mix berries, crumble and pie. I'm going to put it in the oven for 25 minutes on 180 on the fan oven for 25 minutes, and then until you see that top getting brown and you will see the berries bubbling and all that. I will show you guys the final result. You could then sprinkle a little bit of cinnamon here, a little bit of cinnamon, and you could also grate a bit of nutmeg around it. Just for that extra fragrance. That will make everybody wait for it desperately, because it will be smelling through the oven and all that. You smell it. All right, 180 for 25 minutes. I'll show you guys the result. And we're gonna have it with ice cream and custard. I might probably stick to custard today, but I will see. If I'm feeling fancy, I will add some ice cream as well. We'll show you guys when we're having it. Yeah, catch you later. Hey guys, yes, the dessert is ready. The mixed berry crumble pie is ready. That's how I called it. Look at the crumble. Yes, look at the crumble. It's all perfect and it's nice. I'm gonna give this man a big portion. Guys, look at this. Look at this. Can you see this? Yes. Oh, look at the juice. Yeah, look at the ooze in here. You see that? And look at the bottom, guys. You got that nice. The smell as well. Oh. And ice cream at the same time. Hey, what up guys? This is the most important part. This is what you cook for. Take your time and cook this delicious mixed berry crumble pie. As I said, the bottom is like a pie and the top is crumbled with mixed berries. Yeah. What is this? That's really good. What is this? And it's not too sweet. Have you tasted the little salt coming through it somewhere? It's not too strong. Yeah, that's a pastry. Oh yeah, yeah. Guys, as you can see, I'm just all over the place. I'm just in this. I'm really digging this. Try at home, easiest dessert to make, and it tastes fantastic. Guys, please subscribe, thumbs up, and press the notification button so when I upload new video, you could be notified, please. And you could also please follow King Supper Instagram. Thank you guys.